This is John at Team-One Automotive. I am here with Mitch. He's the shop manager here at White Glove. We're celebrating their 10-year anniversary. Mitch, tell us a little bit about White Glove. What do you guys do? What's the best thing about working here?
Yeah, this is obviously our 10-year anniversary, so we've been in business for 10 years. What we do essentially is we will do window tinting, ceramic coating, paint protection film, and vinyl wraps. We've been around, full 10 years. We've been here. We're really proud of our quality of work. We work on high-end vehicles, and we always put out quality workers, which is what, in my opinion, makes us stand out from everyone else as far as the work we do. And the best thing about working here, man, it's just the, we have a really good community here. Everyone gets along really well, and we push each other to work hard.
Absolutely. You guys do great work. I mean, that's really the quality, I think, is the thing that everyone notices about White Glove. And, that's also why you do our cars as well, like our shop van. If you've been picked up in our shop van before, they did the Expel on that. You guys always knock it out of the park. So congratulations on 10 years.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you, Mitch.
Thanks
for having us. Beautiful.
Absolutely.
Yeah, thank you.
Just want to keep working with you going forward and enjoying that relationship we have.
Absolutely. Thank you, Mitch.